20 out of North Carolina, Matthew Burkeen.
Yeah, Matthew Burkeen is not lining up. He sucks too bad to ride in a straight line, so he's got to film, no choice.
We've got some hitters in this one, buddy. The revs are up, the gate is down. Here we go.
Up front, let's go! Two-stroke! Hold it down for me, come on! Oh, shive down! No way, dude! Throw it away!
And the back end kind of comes out.
Let's go, Lesher, two-stroke, P2, come on! Someone's got to hold it down for the smokers today. It ain't going to be me.
Just a little too much throttle, more than the tires and the track and support right there. Shot and picks himself up and goes on.
Check it.
Trasolini, that's the rider out of Venezuela, sitting there in that 3 spot. Scott Meshy in the 4 spot. Eddie Norred, he is the guy just on this outside. He is close though. He is comfortable in this position. I will go to that right side. Let's see how it plays out. Out in front, Lesher, the 2 spot. Raimundo in the
Come on, Jerry, let's go! Hang on to it, brother.
Just that quick. Rocket miles what it is. Holding the brake line right now. And solid flat. 156.7 last time around with 1 mile. 157 boy, Eddie Norred going for it. He's in that 5 spot trying to get in this one. He's got his hands full because the 716 behind him and Jacob Bomer is right there with him, and he is turning and turning. Last time he was in at 156.5, that was about 3 seconds almost faster than Eddie Norred using front of him.
Yeah, 4 seconds quicker than Ramondo.
Here we go.
Into the number 4 position. Beaumont now in the number 5 spot. He turned a 156.5. Look at the battle we've got on our hands.
It's tight. We're side by side. It's a drag race.
And it looks like Beaumont.
Oh, look at that. That's what it's all about. That is LCQ. Down to the definition of an LCQ. What you want to see for your guy fighting to punch his ticket in. A little back and forth and just not want to relinquish it, and then trying to answer back, heading up Godzilla.
And Beaumont has had the quicker lap time, no question about it. I mean, he got a good drive up Godzilla as they drop back in. Let's see how it plays out. There they come, almost side by side as they drop back in.
Beaumont's gonna, he knows he's got.
Just short.